Welcome back to the Rex Community Educational Series. In today's video, we will prepare you for all you need to know in order to start investing in the world of crypto. Keep watching and click the subscribe button below. In the first video, you learned that Rex is crypto that can be stored in a digital wallet such as Metamask. In this video, we will show you how to prepare to invest in Rex. It's important to know that two types of crypto are needed to buy Rex. They are BUSD and BNB. BUSD is used to buy Rex. BNB is used to pay the transaction fees, otherwise known as gas fees. But how do you get BUSD and BNB? First, we need a crypto on-ramp. This is where you can exchange fiat, also known as traditional money, for crypto. Crypto exchanges are the most common crypto on-ramps. They allow you to connect a bank account or credit card for providing funds to buy crypto. When creating your account on a crypto exchange, be prepared to provide a government-issued ID, selfie, and full legal name. You will also need to provide your bank account details or credit card info. This is needed so that you can add funds to your exchange account for crypto purchases. So now you have added funds to your crypto exchange account. What should you do next? The minimum amount to participate in a Rex daily auction is 100 BUSD, which is equal to 100 USD. And you will need a little BNB for transaction fees. So plan to buy at least 105 BUSD and 0.06 BNB, which is approximately 20 USD. Now you have your BUSD and BNB. Do I send that to my digital wallet? Yes. Let's set up your Metamask wallet that was mentioned earlier. You will now have to do two things. First, add your Binance Smart Chain account to your Metamask wallet. Then add your token address to Metamask. For exact steps, go to Google and search for Add BSC to Metamask. Then click on the highlighted search results and follow the instructions to add your Binance Smart Chain account to your Metamask wallet. Then go to the rex.io website and scroll down to the contract addresses. Click the copy icon for the BUSD. And then add the BUSD token address to Metamask by opening Metamask and making sure you have Binance Smart Chain or Smart Chain set at the top. Then click Import Tokens at the bottom. To add the BUSD token address to Metamask, just paste in the address you copied from the rex.io website and enter. Click Add Custom Token, and then click Import Token. Am I ready to transfer my BUSD and BNB to my wallet? Yes. Now let's get the address of your Metamask Binance Smart Chain wallet. Open Metamask and make sure you have Binance Smart Chain set at the top. Then click on the copy icon under the account label to copy the address to your clipboard. Now we are ready to send our crypto from our crypto exchange to our Metamask wallet. From your crypto exchange, send your BUSD to the wallet address you copied earlier. The crypto exchange may ask you to specify the network type. Always choose BSC or BEP20. You should now have BNB and BUSD in your wallet. You did it! That was a lot, but you have come so far, so let's recap what we've done. You signed up for a crypto exchange account. You connected your bank or credit card to your exchange account to fund it. You bought BNB and BUSD. And then you configured your Metamask wallet and sent BNB and BUSD to your Metamask wallet. That's it. Congrats for making it to the end of this video. In our next and final video in this series, we will show you how you can start investing in Rex. so make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell before moving on. See you soon.